What's up, YouTube? Big Tom Science. Got a 22 caliber round right here, and an AK-47 round right here. Both are hollow point. But as you can see, if you got hit with a AK-47 round, it could really fuck you up big time compared to something like this. So yeah, known to blow off limbs, punches right through cinder blocks. It has like a cone shaped what's it called, steel shell compared to a brass shell with the 22. As you can tell, there's just a lot more gunpowder. The actual bullet itself stops right where that red line is, maybe trails a little bit further back. But yeah, that's the difference right there. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching. Big Tom Science. The Remington 22 high velocity hollow point, the golden bullet, versus a Wolf made AK-47 hollow point 7.62 22. Thanks for watching. Big Tom Science. Signing off.